All right, YouTube, so we back with another one. I got something that came in today for the 300 that's going to help us with the lag on takeoff. This is, some people say, better than the pedal commander, something like a roar pedal. This one is the throttle response controller from 9 Drive. We're gonna see if it actually does something. I ain't gonna install it today, but I'm recording the unboxing for y'all today so y'all can see how it comes packaged and what it come with and all of that. Shit hard as hell to do one, man. Alright, finally got that shit open. Damn, that is way smaller than what you would expect. So this is my blade for comparison. Just a little box with a little lightning cable. Power this thing up. This is the adapter to put it from the gas pedal, from the under dash harness to the gas pedal to the box that powers this. This is what make all the magic happen right here. Yo, YouTube, so today gonna be the day that we're gonna install the throttle controller on the 300. We're gonna see if these things really work, see if it takes out the lag, check out all the moves. I still gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it in here though. Probably on the left side of the steering wheel. So again, here go the 9 Drive. The adapter, one plugs into the harness that goes to the gas pedal, and the other one goes to the gas pedal, and this plugs in to the box that makes all the magic happen. Like I said in the last video, it's an iPhone lightning cable for the connection. I can't believe how small this is. Like, it's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna get down here and show y'all what to take out and where to plug it in. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and lay everything out right here. All right, so I got everything laid out right here. You're gonna wanna come up in here and remove this plastic piece with this light. Put a clip there, and another clip right there. I'm gonna just move it, get it out the way. And then it's gonna be that plug right there. So for some reason my camera stopped when I took it out, but that plug and this plug, I plugged the box to the adapter. You just want to grab this plug, this one right here, You hear a click. You hear a click, and that part is done. So then now all you gotta do is just tuck the box up, make sure it don't fall nowhere, get it in a secure spot. I'm gonna go ahead and secure it, run this line, and probably mount it up, and I'll show y'all what it look like when it's done. All right guys, so here it is, plugged in right there, strapped up there. I ran the wire underneath the console and put it right there. I'm gonna put that piece over there in, get it all neat back under there, and then we'll go to setting this thing up and seeing how all this powers up and all that. Turn this to the on position. There's that. Turn the radio off. Pressing the gas down and letting it go. Pressing it down, letting it go. Let's see. It's set right now at P2.6, which I think is the sports mode. A little bit of lag going right over there. Turn it down, see what it do. Oh, it adds the lag again. Let me see. Norm. Okay, so that's normal. I want to put it in, I think P3 is racing. P3.3. Okay, let's turn that up. A little bit of a difference. Feel that. Oh yeah, you feel that. Alright. I'ma change it. That's on P3.1. I'ma put it on 3P or P3.5. Oh shit. Hell yeah, you feel that. shit. Hey, yo. That pulls. And it don't make the car faster or nothing, but you feel that. Like, you feel that. Let me see. I'm gonna crank it up. Yeah. Hell yeah, that makes a difference. A lot of difference. It's instant. It's pretty much instant. Alright, I'm gonna put it to, we'll try it with, we'll do normal. Oh yeah, I'll put it back in normal mode and night and day difference right there. Night and day difference. The pool is crazy. That's normal. Let's see, we're gonna work our way up. P1.9. That right there, I feel like I could do that. Like it still has some lag, but it goes. Let me see. P2.9. Yeah, I know I'm testing them out like back to back, but I'm just trying to get the feel for them, for the modes. That's not bad for $60. That's not bad at all. I don't like the lag. The lag make you feel like something wrong with your shit. So is it worth it? In my opinion, it's worth it. It definitely takes out the lag. Yeah, man. That's worth it. So if you haven't gotten this, I feel as though it's a must right now. That took out the lag a lot. The car feels more fun to drive. And just more responsive. Overall, just feels more responsive. Coming right off of the stop, you know, we in the city, so there's a stop sign like every other block. So coming off the stop sign before had like a little lag, and I ain't really like stepping on it because it make you feel like if you like you too how you say that, like, I don't know, it just feel weird, but that right there makes a difference. I think it's worth it. If you haven't gotten it, Amazon got it for $59, $60, and they shipped it quick. Like, I was supposed to get this like Friday, and it came in yesterday when I did the intro or unboxing, I would say, to it. So yeah, this is the next day. She all installed. Overall, I think it's worth it. If by how many times I already said it's worth it ain't convinced you, then I don't know what will. But they say it is better than Pedal Commander. I ain't never have it, but I tell you right now, this shit work. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna end the video right here. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, hit me up. And I mean, to the next one.